Hi, I'm Dr. Mark with DFWChiromassage.com, and today's question is it bad to crack your neck or back a lot? The desire to pop the neck or back is caused by tension from a jammed or fixated bone in your spinal column called the vertebra. The vertebra causes another part of the spine to compensate by moving too much and popping a lot. The jammed part should be adjusted by a chiropractor so that the rest of the spinal column will balance and stop being so movable and noisy. For more information about where to get chiropractic care, go visit www.dfwchiromassage.com. Again, I'm Dr. Mark. I'll see you next time.